Okay. Okay. So just double check yonke into niyayibona iskrini niyabona mengitype angithi
Yeah.
ngizama uku-increase ne-font la so that mengitype kube clear let's dash play yeah noma sekuzoomed in kakhulu umove stuff some up noma ngathi clear all right yeah just to clear my window okay so yo ole ngisho ukuthi ngiyabonga ithuba kade sagcinana umuntu bematasa but yeah I hope we're moving forward so qhubeka sidlule kule segment kancane and then jump over to JavaScript the reason why sayenza le section kancane it is to publish lama versions ama-website esinawo njengamanje so that you can send umuntu ilink akwazi ukubona iwebsite elikhambile. Excuse me. So for that process ngabala ngathi you need a version control tool okuyiyona osave ngayo umsebenzi wakho and then leyo version control tool sathi uGit so ngakufundisa ukuthi umsebenzi usave kanjani ngoGit sagcina lapho-ke and then before ngiqhubeke ngifuna highlighter kancane again ukuthi umsebenzi wethu sifuna ukuthola la uma siya ku GitHub ngingene ngaku GitHub wami uma siya ku GitHub siye ku ngena la ngene lokho nje sathi yini lana surprises GitHub kunama-release so repositories however khona kusamele ngikulungise-ke la hey Nkosi yami yes ilokhu nje ake ngimkhombise la so I need to fix that khona iphutha engilenzile la so just ukunikhombisa nje about another kind of interesting thing so i-repository le but he has been disabled by GitHub staff due to violation of GitHub's trademark policy. So ngoba ngisebenzise i-website ene-page la ka-Facebook. So abaka GitHub bathi no, shuthi wena uzama uku-scam abantu or something. So ngi-reach out to them-ke and ngizama ukuthola sizama ukuthola indlela yokuthi i-page lami ibaluleke libuye ngikwazi ukubuyela ama-tutorials ami la. So ngizokwenza njani athi ngicabanga so nina mesenenza komele ningapublishi i-page la ka-Facebook shuthi sizozama ukuthi upublish myself like noma iliphi nje i-page ozolikhanda eli-about yourself rather than ukuthi sipublish i-page la ka-Facebook ngoba sonke azohi-establish ama-account ethu so that's why i-establishile le so I'll just contact them and explain ukuthi bengifundisa i-class kanje I'll take down that part but I was demoing and teaching whatever hopefully bazong-release back and I'll remove ukupublisha leliya page leli u-Facebook because angithi lingathi u-Facebook so bacathi ngifuna uku-scam abantu and I'm not supposed to use vele i-trademark yaka-Facebook so anyway angicilile lapho so hey hey madoda ziningi izinto sokumele uyinake la enganakekile but so angisazi ngoba i-repository yami ivale. Okay, but vele ngifocusile kulapho. Okay, so sino-Git ne, u-Git wethu usivumele ukuthi sistorishe. So mengithi ls la which folder, mengithi pwd, ngikusikhumbuzo mengithi cd desktop, sengene kwi-desktop ls, ngene la NLA tutorials cd NLA underscore tutorials, ngithi ls. So isiyasho manje, so isiyaqhamuka isithi master. So ngikwi-master branch ka-Git. So that means umsebenzi wami ngiwustorishe ngo-Git. So ngithe git add ngathi git commit, of which I am assuming nani nikuleso stage whereby nine-folder enomsebenzi wenu enithe kuyo git add, so wafaka ispace wathi dot, should get git add all, or and wathi git commit. So uthi-ke mengithi git mhlambe status, so ithi kimi my branch is up to date with master, so origin/master, nothing to commit, working tree clean, right? So sifuna ukuthi sonke sikulesi state ukuthi ifolder yethu yomsebenzi uma ngithi git status iyasho ukuthi branch master, branch is up to date, nothing to commit. So that means umsebenzi wethu siwustorishe ngendlela yama-software developer kumshini wakho, kwikhompyutha yakho. Kusho lokho kuphela lokho, maybe ithi not working tree clean, whatever, up to date. So umsebenzi wethu is stored, it's up to date ngokwendlela ye-software developer, right? So ngicela ukuchecka la ukuthi sekhona Zandile no-Gift ngiyangizwa.
Yebo sir.
Yeah. So umsebenzi wethu is stored ngendlela ye-developer. So but ustorishe kwikhompyutha yakho. So kufana nokuthi unesithombe kwifoni yakho, uma kulahleka ifoni yakho lesithombe siyalahleka. But if ngithatha isithombe ngisifaka ku-Facebook, kuyafana nokuthi isithombe sami siku-internet noma ngingathi isithombe sami si-on the cloud. So nomsebenzi wakho kumele ube nendlela ukuthi ustorishe kwi-internet noma ustorishe on the cloud, so that, excuse me, noma ulahlekelwa ikhompyutha yakho umsebenzi wakho ungalahleki. So i-cloud noma in this case i-service provider ezivumela ukuthi sigcine umsebenzi wethu permanently ku-internet u-Git Hub. So I hope you understand ukuthi uqhamukaphi lo GitHub, sikhama sesithi GitHub. Uno-Git okuyindlela yokubeka noma yokugcina umsebenzi wakho as a developer, because you're storing it ngendlela smart, versioned, ukuthi uya-override every time unomsebenzi omusha. So u-GitHub, u-Git. And then usufuna ukugcina permanently umsebenzi wakho ngendlela ukuthi i-hub, ngisho ukuthi ngizothi i-hub noma fana ne-hubber. So mase ngaliguglisha le gama elithi hub, usibona mhlawumbe lichaza ukuthini, mhlawumbe lingasisiza. Ngithi u-Git isethi yamazwi umele ini, i-software nje tool. So u-hub yena umele ini, right? So simbuke mesithi hub meaning umele ini u-hub, ngoba phela isilungu sibuye sibe inkinga. I-hub, so a center of a wheel, so ubone kwisondo siyake sithi line-hub isondo, but asifuni ke lo definition, sifuna le yesibili. So bathi the effective center of an activity region or network. Shuthi uma kune activity ethile i-hub kuba i-main, ishuthi le activity yakho yokubhala i-code is the main place where you keep code. So uthola ukuthi ama-developers amaningi asebenzisa u-GitHub because iningi lethu sonke sigcina umsebenzi ku-GitHub. So liqhamuka lapho leli gama lithi hub siyalazi lichaza ukuthini, leli lithi GitHub liqhamuka lapho ukuthi wena unomsebenzi wokustorisha ngo-Git. So manje asiye kwindawo ye-central yokubeka, it's GitHub. So umuntu owayikhandela noma abantu abayikhandela bahlangana bakhanda i-company to GitHub, bakhanda i-website, bakhanda i-tools lokuthi sikwazi ukuthi siphushe umsebenzi wethu kwa-GitHub basigcinele wona, right? So futhi-ke ngizothi GitHub So uGitHub akusiyona kuphela indawo lapho ukwazi khona ukugcina umsebenzi wakho osuke ustorishe ngoGit noma osuke usave ngendlela kaGit. Kubuye kube khona le okunye kuthiwa ubani manje lo munye Bitbucket. So nabo-ke bazama-ke ukuba clever ngegama abaliqamba lekhampani yabo uBit. Isikhathi esiningi uBit umele a unit, uma ngaphosisi umele a unit of storage, yabo. Ideas or a set of actions, ideas, a specific group of activity. So it's a little bit but coding or software sisuke sikhuluma ngalokhu a unit, a binary digits, but a unit of digital. So it's a unit of digital storage. Angifuna ukugxila lapho. So bathi-ke bona Bitbucket shuthi it is the most basic unit, but now the bit is the most basic unit of information in computing and digital communication. So ubit uqhamuka lapho mase bethi bona Bitbucket futhi ibhakethi ye-information. So bayiqambile ikhampani yabo into nawo ubungayenza. Okay, Bitbucket, GitHub, they smart about it. La magama suke siwathola kwi-software development ne-computer information, yabo, IT, information technology, right? So uma okunye suthi wena usungagooglisha mhlambe uthi mhlambe umuthando ngathi wena Bitbucket nangomunye uthi versus GitHub. Okay, kuzoba mhlambe ngithi mina omunye ngagooglisha ethi Bitbucket competition. Uyijwayeze ukuthi uma kune website noma kunento ethile uyibuza ukuthi ibaphi aba-competition abasuke bebangisana nabo i-market. So-ke la ngenile la sibone. So Bitbucket alternatives elinye igama obungasebenzisa usearch. So bayaveza-ke la GitLab, GitHub, Azure DevOps, Bitrise, AWS CloudFormation, Digital AI Release, Urban Code Deploy, Puppet Enterprise. So amanye ama-website noma ama-companies lawo asebenza with storing of i-code yakho on the cloud, right? So nini nje udideka ungibuza, but ngenzela ukuthi as we transition ungadideki yonke into uyi-understand. Ungathuki ukuthi yini manje uGitHub, yini manje uBitbucket, ngivele ngithi ayisebenzisa uBitbucket noma ngisebenzisa uGitHub ungazi kuqhamuka. So ejwayeleke kakhulu kulama companies astorisha umsebenzi wakho owusave ngoGit, uGitHub. U-free GitHub, free, and iwona owaduma kakhulu because of the ease of use, kulula ukusebenzisa, adopted by abantu abaningi, iyathembeka i-team esebenza ewubuildayo. So siyayithemba ikhampani yabo ukuthi i-code yethu ngoba siyistorishe kubona angeke ngelinye ilanga sithi siyalogga in sithole ukuthi asikwazi ukungena, yabo. Namanye ama-companies ayakwazi ukucomplaina kubo futhi ukuthi hayi bona ngumuntu njengoba de becomplain ukuthi mina sengihoste i-page engilenze ngo-Facebook, right? Excuse me. So uGitHub uqhamuka lapho. Okay, so ukuze ngiye kwa-GitHub mina ngikwazi ukustorisha information yami, okusho ukuthi kumele ngibe nani, kumele ngibe ne-account. It's very obvious. So if ngifuna ukusebenzisa i-service yabo kumele bengazi ukuthi nguba. So that's why-ke build and ship software on a single collaborative platform. Okay, asifocusanga kulokho sebethi sign up for GitHub. So okusho ukuthi-ke udinga i-email la. So-ke suthi sidinga i-email. So asi-create i-email, for example, Gmail, as you all know, it's one of the most ejwayelekile, Gmail. So I guess sibone ukuthi singayi-create an email first, create an account. Khona ukuthi izosebenza yini. Manje abanye amanyisa nakho iyangibuza ubuki bathi for personal use, so ngizothi for personal, assuming ukuthi awunayo i-email address. So ngizothi mina NLA tutorial group 1 Group one. Uh, Group one. NLA tutorials. Group one. Okay. Here's a Buza, January 1, Yaga, 29. And okay, I'm sure nongini nama email address ngaba nikho kule call if beningi now, but NLA tutorials group 1 at gmail.com ngithanda leyo. Password, I think suggested password. Suggest strong pass. Okay, then meron pagi semua study password strong. Okay, copy, paste, paste. Right. Okay, report. Okay, verify some info. Ish. Oh, bazo kaya buza ang kagalan. But, eh, ay. Abuse from computer. Ay, sabi, yung ginising na security breach. So, I think stole enye free email online. So, nang mail.com spawn and ang ngeke lokho sibuza izinto eziningi. To sign up mail.com. So, assume ukuthi wena already una email address, but ngizoyi-create the first time ya ngoba angifuni ukuthi khona imlingi ebesina email address yami. Ngizothi NLA tutorials one one. It's okay. Okay. Uh, okay. So, someone see touch and UK China, Africa Squad, Public Circular, basic official. Hey, so okay. Spagi number la at least the tables of using number, so I guess spagi number no may get that. Okay, is what you 5.73 7.6 Okay, human agree and continue. Yo, separate. Move the dolphin to the crystal ball. Like, yo, Gindo, bafuni be safe. So as ni khanda ama website because baningi abantu abakhanda ama-email ayi-fake benza ini. Now website yakho you have to think about yonke le safety le when you create it. Abuke sebenginike inambuzane i-audio challenge. Which option is the sound of water? Yini manje le? Sound of water. Angazi nokuyazi. Okay. Kahle manje. Angizwa nokuyizwa i-sound la. I am human. Sizame futhi verify. Maybe kuhlupha nalapha sozama nabanye. Okay. I I think it was a Proton email. So Proton, I guess, sneaking thing. Email online, ang Proton. Oh, nang temp mail. But ang phone 70 temp mail. I think it's the 70 temp mail ngoba ngenza class. So ake sibuke la. So ngoba ngenza class ngizosebenzisa temporal email ukuze kube lula ngoba ngalokho ngisign up ngikhanda ama fake email addresses. So na email address ngizoba nenkinga next time ngizama ukulogina to GitHub kodwa yazi okungcono ngibe nayo email for le group. So it's one problem engicabangayo. Create a free account. I'm just hoping good the security yabo is not that tight. Or if not just a free email address. The email address. Mali ngabe my email address engasebenzisa so many email addresses man. Watching Bogara. But obviously actual news. Okay, free. So let's born create NLA tutorial tutorial group one. So one and then the password. What's the password? Okay. So negative thoughts. Anyway, so yonke into isiyaba nemidali bafuna ama-credit card bafuna in bafuna in bafuna in ngisebenzisa u-temp mail so ngizobuye ngiyi-create i-email asebenzisa i-temp mail for now ngoba isikhathi siyahamba so nayi i-email address abangi-generate-ele yona temporarily so this is my inbox akukho lutho la so sengiyafika la ngiyapesta ngithi sign up so ngifake i-email address yami la sengithi sign up for GitHub so ngifuna ini i-account with le company le ekwazi ukungikhandela ekwazi ukungigcinela umsebenzi wami on the internet osuke ngiwustorishe ngo-Git so emphasize lento leyo cela siyi-understand okay so password yami just a random password ebengiyikophishile earlier so that's my email bayasho la create your free account sign up for GitHub continue with Google or continue with Apple so email address password username country origin your email preferences so bojwayele ukuthi if usign up kwezinto kwi-website uyifunde i-website yonke ubone ukuthi yini osuke kumele ukherishe okumele ube nendaba nayo nawe mekuthiwa ukhanda i-website so as you become a developer kumele ukujwayele ukuthi ubuke amanye ama-website izinto bazenza kanjani you know obviously adopting the but sithi ama-best practices right so username singasho sithi NLA tutorials group one so I don't want to receive promotional product whatever to create account so select manje verify your account so most of the time maybe if you verify account bazokuthumelela i-email ukuconfirm ukuthi ngempela le email address osayina apha ngayo eyakho yini. Oh, okay. Okunye bangifuna ngenze solve i-puzzle. So visual puzzle, izinto sezabanzima. Okay. Using the arrows, move the person to the indicated seat. 1 of 10. So umuntu lo kumele ngimthathe ku-seat number 61. Yes, yes. Nangu sehlele ku-61. So thini? So submit, sibone ukuthi ku-right yini. 37, bamfuna ku-37. Manje sedlala igemu-ke manje. Nangu uhleli 37, submit. 78. Oh, bathi 78 kodwa akabe kulesi sihlalo. Yes, shuthi kumele ebe la. Manje ku-78 kodwa esihlalweni esi-wrong. So, eh, 78 kodwa akuhlala esi-right. 78 ukuhlala esi-right, shuthi seku-right-ke manje. Yo. Ayikho isihlalo manje. 45. Wayelapha kulesa sihlalo. 45 ungathi uhleli khona kuphela. Verify 51, okay, so this is part of cyber security because abantu they abuse lama account. You create an account, thole ukuthi awufuna ukuyisebenzisela izinto right, and then it's a waste of ama-resources for labantu abadevelophe le website ukuthi wena ucreate i-account but awusebenzisi for izinto right. So, number 1 kodwa qondane nale nto leyo. Bazama ukuthi i-AI labantu. Okay, case number 1. Aqondane nale nto nangu case number 1. Abanye lento yenza kawu-10. Number 35 kodwa aqondane nalokhu. 35. Okay, aqondane nakho. Number 64 aqondane nalokhu. 64 aqondane nalokhu. We are almost there, but we're almost there. Number 84. 84. Aqondane nalokhu ngathi print. So akaqondene nakho njengamanje. 84 uqondene nakho njengamanje. Sethembe bazothi ngumuntu angisile i-robot. So khona beku-wrong ngoba bengayiqondi kahle le challenge yabo. Awe mashe bangiqasha phansi. Oh, 77 uqondene nalokhu. Uletha 100% la. 77 uqondene nalokhu nakho lapha. Okay. Number 4 uqondane nale nto le. Number 4 akaqondene nayo. Number 6, number 55. Selling number 4 uqondane nale nto yakhona. Submit. Number 86 uqondene neguzu. 86 uqondene neguzu. Submit. Number 19 uqondene nesandla. 19 uqondene nesandla la. Okay. 58 uqondene neguzu. 58 no. Now 58 uqondane negoli. 67 uqondane nenkomishi. Kodwa ngiyama uqondane nayo. Number 67 uqondane nayo lenkomishi. Number 36 uqondane nale nto le engayiqondi. 36 uqondane nale nto le. Meets 78 uqondane nebuko. 78 uqondane nebuko, that's fine. Number 50 uqondane nale nto le, ibhodlela nemastashi. Aqondene nakho. No, 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 no. So number 50 secondary nale nto le. It's almost there. Number 6. Secondary nale nto le, Khandleni. 6 secondary nale Khandleni. Hope that's all correct. Okay. Kwaze kwawumdamp. But anyway, yonke le nto yenziwa to protect awubukele futhi unable to verify your capture troubleshooting. Nkosi yami. Nkosi yami. So yonke le nto yenzelwani to protect against njengoba sekune-AI, so ama-robots amaningi, you can build i-robot elikwazi ukuhamba li-create ama-account kwiwebsite yakho. Likhandela ama-account amaningi, database yakho igcwale, yini yakho igcwale, but lama-account awasebenza wenzi lutho. So lokho kuthiwa yini, khona kuthiwa i-DDoS, flood-a i-website yakho with traffic. Kube khona lokho ukuthi make-create ama-account vele. Akukusizi ngalutho ngoba kumele wa-maintain, but ekugcineni asetshenziswa umuntu. So nizongibekezelela ngoba lento kumele ngiyenze nami kade ngagcina ukwenza create i-account ku-GitHub. So kumele ngiyi-create so that sizobona ukuthi ku-create-wa kanjani ngoba omunye umuntu uzothi ngiyazama ukuyi-create mina kunalezi zinto abanginika zona iy'thombe engayiqondi ezane. Yiyo lento ozobe ubhekane nayo. So kumele ngikusize. So njengamanje bafuna unumber 31 onale cone le. So kuwumdlalo le nto le. Number 31 uqondene ne-cone, submit. Okay, number 27 uqondene nento engayiqondi kahle. 27 uhleli number 27 uqondene nale nto le. So number 75 uqondene lokhu ngathi uwin. Okay, submit. 66 uqondene nale nto. Okay, 66 nale nto. 25 not the news. Number 25, okay, correct. Ethemba ukuthi manje ngiyakisaba nale program. Angazi ukuthi inkinga ikuphi. 26 uqondene nale warning sign. 26 uqondene nale warning sign. 31 uqondene neglasi. Number 31 uqondene neglasi apha phezulu, iglasi noma yini. 76 uqondene nayo le nto le engayiqondi. Number 76. 26 le nto, submit. Number 52, ukunena lokhu, okay, okay, number 52. Correct. Almost there. Number 99, Colonel Land. Number 99. Colonel Icon yomuntu wesifazane. I really hope ukuthi uyoqhubeka. You cannot reiterate the claim. Hayi, futhi kunenkinga ekhona-ke la. Engingayazi ukuthi eyani. Unable to verify your capture response. Uh, troubleshoot connectivity. Uh, Share message isn't blocking. Sekukuningi lokho kuleli class. Angazi ukuthi yiphi indlela ebengingenza ngayo. Angi-check one of my emails engingakaze ngasebenzisa ndawo just ukuthi ngiqhube naleli class. But I shouldn't be using my personal email for lezi zinto. So let me check. Ngoba inkinga yami one, lama video ngiyawa-upload. So ngoba esuke public, awazi ukuthi umuntu uzokwenzani nge-email address yakho. Yabo. Uh, just check la if I have an email engingenandaba nayo la kakhulu. Mm, okay, maybe affect kakhulu. Then ngizothi um bone mm, not now, um, not now, not now. Ngazane lento. Okay, let me just do ngizo-creator la. Ngicela uku-creator la ukuthi manje kumele ngikukhombise. So you can use uGmail obviously. So ngizothi la uh, plus NLA ngizothini ngizokline devs uma ngingabhusisi i-email engiyisebenzisayo le mhlawumbe ngeke ibe inkinga kakhulu. Yeah. Sengithi plus NLA group 1 couldn't find Okay. Okay. I just need 2 million. Okay. Check email. Uh, copy. Okay. Next one. Use password. Ngaze kwanemda nje hlobo ningibekezelela i-security yamanje ezamuvimba ukuthi ingenzi noma yini. But I think it's better yonke lento yenzeke phambi kwakho rather than ngiqhamuke sengenza izinto sezi-smooth mase uyaxakeka ukuthi hawu yini mina mese ngenza kube nzima. Anginayo i-password la ngenza lento le ye-pass key ngizama yona. Use your pass key. Make sure you with you. Uh, Try another way. Okay, continue. Let's get on your phone. Can you don't get in the website, German, it's security, security, security. So then it's scanning your phone. Allow, connect. What are the steps on your phone? So njengamanje ngisayina in kwi-account yami yaka-Gmail ngefoni because yeah ngenza lento ye-pass key because it's the safest. Just at least mina ngingena. Let's enter your PIN. Okay, so this is near each other. Okay, again. Okay. Then ngiyabona ukuthi ngilokho in. Okay. Ngathi ngilokho in. Okay, perfect. So uma ulinka ne-Google account yakho, so mina ngasebenzisa i-pass key for to be very safe. So ngidinga ifoni yami ngaso sonke isikhathi uku-access ama-account ami, I don't need i-password. So now ungakwenza kwifoni yakho or ngendlela yakho for i-safety because awufuni ama-accounts akho abe hacked. So siyangibuza ke la ngoba uGoogle sengiwutshelile ukuthi okay logger in. So bayangibuza ukuthi une-sure yini uGoogle lo ongibuza ngithi yabo ukuthi accounts.google. Ufuna uGoogle allowishe uGitHub access information ngawe. So i-account yami usikhumbuzo Martine Dev. So uzothola i-name and profile picture. ne-email address yami. So mengithi okay, I'm fine, ngizothi continue if ngi-happy ngalokho. So wena mhlawumbe ubuzofaka i-password, but izokubuza kulesi screen. I do recommend obviously using i-account yakho ka-Google. So sign up for GitHub. Sekulula-ke ngoba sengisebenzisa i-email yakwa-Gmail, bayamthemba uGmail rather than leya email le i-temporal. Ngoba nayinkinga ebenginazo bengenziwa ukuthi i-email ebengiyisebenzisa u-temporal, so bayazi ukuthi ama-email abantu abajwayele ukuwasebenzisa ukwenza izinto quickly noma ba-scam. So I don't know, it's another learning thing. Ungathathi otherwise. So i-username ngizothi Sikhumbuzo Martine Devs. I-username, it's a unique username njengoba uma usuke ucreate u-Twitter noma u-Instagram. And then create account. So I'm hoping at least now izoqhubeka. Okay. Oh my goodness, bazothi verify again. Intantongalo. Okay. Ngathi ivele yaba happy because ngisebenzisa i-account yakwa-Gmail. Also uma i-check i-browser yami yabona ukuthi akusiyo i-robot. So angisethanga i-robot to access i-website yabo. So at least ba-happy. Okay. Nisekhona Zandile no-Gift. Sekhona. Nisekhona Zandile no-Gift. Angazi silahlekelene kuphi.
Yebo sona.
Hayi i-security tight ngiyabona la. Ukuthi kwenziwa ukuthi vele inkampani zangampela zawusebenzisa uGitHub. Ngakho i-security tight kanje, hawu.
Tight ngempela, so everything iyacheckwa. But nawe lento obuyibona yenzeke la kusuke kuyinto nawe okumele uyiqaphele uma ukhanda iwebsite. So ungasazi ngokuthi hayi ama-companies are-serious enza i-security ibe tight. Nawe kumele ibe tight. If ubuka manje ukuloga in ku-Facebook wakho uma uqhathanisa nakudala kusafani. Yes, they recommend ukuthi ube ne-OTP, ube nani because abantu bayawa-hack ama-accounts. So into zakho kumele zibe yabo very tight. Yabo nje for example mina bengingaloga in la ngibhala i-password ngithi show password. Niyibone i-password ngiyi-type. Ngi-upload lento ku-YouTube. Sengiyathuka i-account yami ihackiwe how? U-GitHub wami uhackiwe kanjani? Yabo ngoba abantu bayawu-hacka no-GitHub because kunabantu abenza amaphutha angithi wena usukwenze Zandi kuyenzeka usave i-code nama-file athile abucayi uwaphushe wayese GitHub, right? Okay, i-account yakho GitHub ibe private, but umuntu mekuhackile wathola i-access kulama-files akho abucayi useyakwazi uku-access ama-services obusayina up kuwona nomani using ama-files akho uluze imali ngalokho ngoba kuthiwa kulawo ma-services wafaka ama-credit card details akho, umuntu ahambe akhokhele i-domain name, mhlawumbe ake sithi une-certificate ethile ye-company ethile ekunika i-domain name, akhokhele i-domain name ngemali yakho kodwa yena ayithengele i-domain name eseceleni, akulokhe out of i-account yakho futhi. Angithi uyibonile i-password yakho, angene nge-password yakho mase eselecta lezi zinto ezenza sure ukuthi i-security yakho i-high. Emva kwalokho account yakho is locked wena usakwazi ukungena, right? No, ubonisiwe ufike emva kwendaba. Ubonisiwe ufike emva kwendaba Shembe. Sesintante kanje. Webonisiwe wafika emva kwendaba sesintante kangaka.
Yazi asengiyibamba ngolesithathu hey bengifakekile la.
Okay. Okay. No, ngiyazi utshela indaba akukuningi esisakwenzile sishikishiswa i-security yakwa GitHub. So bengichazile ngathi njengoba besenzile last time ngalifundisa ukuthi uGit iyona ndlela yokuthi uma uyi-software developer ustorishe i-code yakho. So nga-emphasize ukuthi Kwi-folder yakho ngilindele ukuthi wonke umuntu ngithi control L, so ngiclearisha yonke into noma ngathi clear, ngenze ukuthi yonke into ibe clear. Ngathi mina kwi-folder yakho ngithi PWD, so i-folder yakho yomsebenzi ngilindele ukuthi uma uthi git status, wonke umuntu la okuleli class, uma ethi git status izothi on branch master, your branch is up to date with origin master, nothing to commit. Lokho kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi umsebenzi wakho obuwenzile usustorishile ngendlela yama-software developer okustorisha ngo-Git. So okusho ukuthi wenze lento kuthiwa u-git add. So uqale wathi git init, emva kokudownload u-GitHub, emva kokuthi uthi git init ya initializer, wasuthi git mhlambe add, wathi dot, wase uma ngaphose mhlambe wathi git commit, wathi git commit, sorry, I think double M, and then dash M for message, and then uthi mhlambe usho uthi to tutorial yabo, tutorial 2 plus yabo, and then up to date, nothing to commit, working free clean. So mina ke I commission to support ngilindele ukuthi wena kulama class awu2 esadlule siwenzile fanele ngabuyile kwikhompyutha yakho wa download uGit, wenza bare minimum ukuthi uvule umuvula unayi icon yawo la izansi, umuvula uGit, umusesha la uthi git, umusesha la kuma share ngizana screen is wrong, but umusesha la, I guess minute la start yangizela la. Okay, perfect. So la umusesha uyawuthola ukuthi uno-git, but mina mengipressa la kumele kube sesinye screen, but uzowubona la umuthi git, so umuvula uGit la, git bash, git command, git banban. So I think i-message git command mangaphosisi ngoba lo munye sathi uGit kuwe, right? So yeah, uGit command, umuvule uGit command, umuthi pwd, pwd ikhombisa ifolder kuyona yonke lento le. So wayenza yonke lento esasiyenzile up until ukuthi uthi git init kwi-folder yakho, uthi git add, uthi dot, udot le umele ukuthi yonke into kule folder, mase uthi git commit dash M, so M umele message, and then this is your commit message. Ngathi mina sizoma lapho uzobe usustorishile ama-files akho ngendlela ye-coder, ukuthi i-coder istorisha kanjani ama-files. So ngase ngichaza ngathi mina uma usuwastorishile ama-files akho uwastorishe kwikhompyutha yakho kuphela. Uma ikhompyutha yakho ilahleka, cishe ama-files akho alahlekile nawo. So enye indlela elula ukuthi abe stored permanently uyake uwastorishe kwi-internet noma sithi on the cloud. So one of our companies akuvumela ukuthi wenze lokho uGitHub. Saphinde sabuka ukuthi uGitHub sambuka kancane igama lakho ukuthi liqhamukaphi, but angifuni ukugcila lapho, usuyobuka ivideo, but uGitHub samuka ukuthi liqhamuka igama lakhona. Sase sibuka ama-alternatives ukuthi uma ungeza ukusebenzisa uGitHub obani obanye ongabasebenzisa. uBitbucket ngakukhombisa ukuthi is one of the bigger companies asebenza ukuthi ustorishe icode yakho along with uGitHub, amakhampani amakhulu engiye ngasebenza ngawo nami, right? Kuzoba o-Azure DevOps, uBeanstalk, kuningi-ke uGitkraken ahlukene. So kuwena ukuthi ufuna ukusebenzisa yini, kodwa-ke mina recommend uGitHub. So kuleli class sispend isikhathi eside silwa noku-create i-account ka-GitHub. So ebengifuna ukwenza uma ucreate i-account udinga i-email address. Bengifuna-ke ukuthi ngiqale ngi-create i-email address phambili kwakho, because angifuni wena uyitshela ukuthi mhlambe mina khona okuspecial bese ngikwenzile, uyabona. So-ke ngibe nenkinga ukuthi mengizama ucreate i-email address, i-security siyaba tight kakhulu. Akuselula ukuthi uvele uyocreate nje i-email, kumele kube linked to ifone yakho noma to i-cellphone number yakho, yonke leyo mdali. So ngase ngisebenzisa-ke i-email address yami vele ebengiyisebenzisa before, okulo sikhumbuza Martin Devs, ngenza i-login via Gmail. So mengiloga in via Gmail, then mengenza i-login via Gmail, then kwalula sesila ngoba wena ususijoyini. So uma usuyi-create-ile i-account ka-GitHub, into osuke sekumele uyenze usuthi create a repository. Angazi noma nisekhona nonke.
Yebo, sikhona.
Yeah. So u-repository uma simsesha ukuthi uyini repository, repository meaning sake sambuka phambilini but indawo lapho obeka khona izinto yabo. So there's nothing special uma ngisebenzisa igama elithi repository. Ungadideki ukuthi yo sesifunda ngama-repository iklasi seliyashuba. Ayikho into eshubisayo. Ku-repository just means indawo esistorisha khona izinto, a central location in which data is stored or managed. So this is under computing. So a repository ilapho estorisha khona information. So futhi ufana nokuthi ucreate i-folder kwi-computer yakho. Ungachaza kanjani ukuthi yazi kwi-computer yami ngifuna ukustorisha iy'thombe zomuntu okuthiwa ubani, wife noma girlfriend. Ucreate i-folder uthi girlfriend. Ufana nokuthi ucreate i-repository. Useyuyitemu nje elifancy uma ukhuluma nomuntu wena uma usufuna ukumgcwalisela ukuthi hayi wena wenza i-coding. Awuhlambe ngeke usathi i-folder zothi go create a repository for these pictures. Selodideka kumuntu kwenzakalaphi. So bayibethi la repository name fana ne-folder sizothi mhlambe NLA underscore ngakufundisa underscore noma usebenzisa dash ungabi nje ne-space tutorials, right? Bathi-ke it's available description my repository mengithanda for ngizothi vele repository for storing tutorial files. Okay, so choose visibility. Choose who can see and commit to this repository. Is it public or private? So so anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can commit. So no mubani uzokwazi ukubona ama-files akho. Private, you choose who can see and commit to this repository. Ngiyayithanda private because for your added safety, umuntu engakwazi ukubona ama-files awakhomithayo ne-information engasibe personal ngawe. So basically private. Add readme off, right? Ngoba asithi nje uzoba off asimiyele lo. Add git ignore. Okay, angingadluli la. So readmes can be used as longer descriptions. So i-readme i-file oyicreator kwi-folder yakho uchaza kabanzi nge-project yakho ukuthi kukwenza ukuthi nokuthi uma ufuna ukubona tutorial 1 ubohamba uyoklikha kwi-folder yabo. Ake sithi nama-folder amaningi kwi-repository yakho uzothi okay hambe kwi-folder ethi tutorial 1 uzothola ama-files akanje usuke uchaza kabanzi. So angiyifuni mina leyo file njengamanje ngoba le repository ngoba ngiyikhanda iyolinka ne-repository engiyi-initialize kwi-computer yami, right? So add git ignore nayo futhi angiyifuni git ignore. So i-git ignore i-file git ignore futhi i-file i-file ka-git oyisebenzisayo ukuyitshela ukuthi wena git yini okumele uyizibe ungayi-track la i-folder yami. So for an example ake sithi une-file kathi ukhanda i-website yakho kube ne-file oyifakayo enama-password. Ngenza isibonelo, awufuni leyo file ukuyikhomitha iye ku-GitHub nomunye umuntu ayibona ama-password wakho wasebenzisa wena kwi-computer yakho. So noma kwi-program yakho mhlawumbe une-program yakho wena ekulogela in ku-Facebook ihambe like ama-status abantu ukhalile i-bot enza lokho. Awufuni leyo program i-expose ama-password akho. Stupid example but example. Add a license. So bayasho license is explained bani no license. So asifuni lutho off no git ignore no license. Wenze sure lezi zinto zi-off no git ignore no license ukuze i-process from now on ingahluki kweyami neyakho. So ngiyinika igama i-repository yami ngayi-describe kancane ngathi private ngathi off ngathi no git ignore ngathi no license. Sengithi create a repository. Siboneke, right? So si-create-ekile. So bathi-ke la ungadideki i-screen sonke leso ungadideki ukuthi yini manje le one step at a time, ake simove one step at a time. Uma ngibuka la URL yami ngiyabona https://github.com ngiseku-GitHub isinginike igama my username lede ngiyi-create ekuqaleni, and then lana i-repository yami shuthi i-folder yami. Shuthi ngamanye amazwi uGitHub unginike indawo yokustorisha izinto under my username. Ngokunginika le username ebethi github.com nginika le username. Shuthi uGitHub uthi wena sune-username shuthi ufana nomuntu esengunike i-portion ka-hard drive ukuthi usunengxenye ongayisebenzisa. And then ngase ngithi mina kuleyo ngxenye ka-hard drive ngifuna kube ne-folder okuthiwa NLA tutorials noma kube ne-repository NLA tutorials. Okay. Nala kusho the same thing. Under usikhumbuzo / ngoba kuno / lento izama ukukhombisa cishe njengala ukuthi angithi yabo kuno / izama ukukhombisa lento i-treat wena ma-folder kanje ukuthi ngaphansi kukasikhumbuzo kune-folder kuthiwa NLA tutorials. Okay. Ku-GitHub hayi kwikhompyutha yami. So sebeyasho-ke la ukuthi-ke ungasetha apha kuno banibani SSH, create new repository banibani. Ngizocela ukushiya la iclass. Ngicela uyokwenza lokho up until you get to this point. Ukuze bese ngiqhubeka ngoba it's gonna be more complicated. Angithi usuyabona la benze example. But ake sithi you create a new repository on the command line. Benze example bathi la hash bathi quotation mark uthi hash NLA tutorials hash uthi / uthi readme.md uthi uthatha yonke lento la uyifaka kule file le and usuthi git init usuthi git add readme.md. Mina bengithi git add ngithi dot la usu-specific nge-file. Nakhu git commit -m first commit nakhombisa. Usuthi git branch -m main. Usuthi git remote add origin. Usuthi https. Angizukuchaza lokho so kwenza next time. And then usuthi git push origin main. So these are the commands okumele wajwayele uma usebenza ngo-Git. Or if kune-existing repository njengawe engithe fanele ngabe usunayo i-repository uzothi wena git add origin ufake lo uthi git branch -main uthi git push -u origin main. Uzothi lokho uma usukwenzile lapha kuzobe sekuqhamuka lama-files lawa ala mengithi mina ls ngiqale ngithi control L. Okay, mase ngithi ls lama-files ala kwi-folder yakho le okuyona. Nangempela nangu-readme sinayo uma ngikhumbula se-readme yami khona i-information readme.md. Follow this banibani kune-playlist link yabo i-file yami kodwa ngigxilile lapho. So ngicela ukuma la wenze sure ukuthi mesihlangana Wednesday usebenzise email yakho preferably Gmail wa create i-account. So uhambelana nje wathi git hub kulisho GitHub umevela uklikhe kuyo GitHub ngikathe mina sengilogged in, so let me sign out la. Sign out. Yes. So bakubuzile kwa GitHub la bathi ufuna ukusayina up yini noma ufuna ukusayina in. Sangafika la ngafaka i-email. Khumbuzo ngakile dev ngathi sign up, right? Email.com. So bazobuza i-email yakho bazothi sign up. Mase uyasho to continue with Google. That's what I prefer because it's safer than ukusebenzisa ama-password. Uyazi-logger in once. Okay, njengoba manje sengilogger in automatically ngoba ngigcine ngim-authorizile uGoogle ukuthi angilogge in. So ngathi u-sign up, then uzo-create i-username, ubonisiwe joiner, then ucreate i-repository. Once ucreate i-repository, ngifuna ungene kuyo, siqhamuka sekulesi screen. Sesizoqhubeka siye phambili. Ozizwa ngathi u-confident ukuthi angaqhubeka apushe umsebenzi wakhe kule repository engawalandela lama instructions lawo. noma engakawa understand elalela lama instructions ayibona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani kuleli page once esewaqedile wafika kulo line lo izogcina lapho ikhona imibuzo ekhona.
So far so good, sir.
All right. Bonisiwe. Bonisiwe
Yebo,
ubaba nomshwalense.
yebo,
Ukhona.
ngikhona sir.
Yezwakala. Okay.
Yebo,
So
kuyezwakala
ngizocela ngempela.
ngizobuka.
Yes, Wednesday ngicela abantu ngempela bafike bevivile ngoba siyadlula siyahamba. Once you master understanding ukithi nani kuzoba lula mekuqhubeka senze okunye in terms of ukuthi sikwazi ukutholisha umsebenzi wethu ungasilahlekeli ngaso sonke isikhathi uma ufika kumina uthi awuyazi ubusebenza umsebenzi kwase sengizokubuza mina ukuthi wawukhomithe wagcina kuphi. Sibuyele kuleyo committee yakho sithi bisebenza la umsebenzi wakho umehluko between manje nasekuqaleni kathi umsebenzi wakho u-right. Ngibona kakhulu lizosiza leli thuluzi elisha esilifundayo. So asibonane Wednesday ngiyabonga.
Yebo, sicela usiphushele ividiyo.
Okay, yes, angikhumbule ngempela ngizama ukwenza manje. Yes, ngizama ukwenza manje ngoba wena ile-idinga impela.
Yebo, siyabonga.
Alright, sibonga. Stop recording.